To use the remote control, you must first pair it with the flight controller. Before introducing remote control pairing, let's listen to the beeps in the first 4 seconds after power on. You should notice that the sound in the first 2 seconds is different from that in the last 2 seconds. The 2 different sounds indicate 2 distinct states. The first 2 seconds indicate charging mode. The last 2 seconds indicate control mode. Let's first explain the pairing procedure. Power on the device and single press the X key between the 3rd and 4th second. The remote control is now entering pairing mode. Power on the flight controller. Single press the B key. This is now in Eller's protocol mode. Press the B key again. This is PPM protocol mode. Press the B key again. This is SPUS protocol mode. Press the B key again. This is ESPNow protocol mode. Then double-click the B key to enter the ESPNow protocol. Once in ESPNow mode, long press the B key to enter pairing mode. Pairing successful, you can now use the remote control. We can see the screen is currently locked. Press the A button to unlock the flight controller. Once unlocked, you can control the butterfly to fly. Press the A button again to lock the butterfly and disable flight control. The Y button activates trim mode. If you need to adjust the horizontal angle of the arms, single press the Y button to enter trim mode. Use the right joystick to adjust the horizontal angle of the arms. Once you've adjusted to your desired angle, press the Y button to exit trim mode. If you want to save the current adjustments to the flight controller, double-click the B button. Make sure the mount is placed on a level surface before double-clicking the B button. The gyroscope will automatically calibrate while the data is being saved. The B button controls the stunt mode, which corresponds to the fix value displayed on the screen. The screen now shows fix 0. Press the B button once, and fix will show 1, which corresponds to the flip stunt mode. Push the right joystick to the upper left, and the butterfly will perform a flip. Press the B button again, and fix will show 2. The butterfly enters hover stunt mode. Push the right joystick all the way up or down to activate or deactivate the hover stunt. Beginners are recommended to use the self-stabilizing flight mode with fix 0. The X button controls the lighting mode of the LED strip. Double-click the X button to switch the lighting mode. The LED strip has 4 modes: solid on, flashing, breathing, and off. Please refer to the user manual for the meaning of the parameters displayed on the screen. RC stands for the remote control battery percentage, and FC stands for the flight controller battery percentage. Now let's introduce the remote control charging mode. Turn on the remote control. Press the X button within the first 2 seconds. The remote control will enter charging mode. Please note that the switch must be returned to the off position. Then charge the remote control with a Type-C charging cable. During charging, the screen displays the remote control battery level in real time. Once fully charged, remember to unplug the charging cable.